What is the value of root of 3 plus root 5? So we are supposed to find the square root of 3 plus root 5. So we'll quickly recall the algebra identity for squaring. So a plus b the whole square, we all know this. This is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we can do this the other way also. Square root of a square plus b square plus 2ab should be a plus b. So that means we'll quickly try to do something. We'll square any of this through which we'll check if we are getting 3 plus root 5. That means that becomes a square root of this expression. So without any complications, we'll try to see squaring using this identity, and from which we'll verify the answer. That's all. Okay. Option A says root 2 plus 1. Let's try to square this. So this will give us 2. A square is 2 plus b square is 1 plus 2 root 2. Means we'll get 3 plus 2 root 2. But what we have here in this question is not this expression. So we got 3 plus 2 root 2, but here we have 3 plus root 5. So that means this A, option A cannot be the right answer. B says root of 5 by 2 plus root of 1 by 2, the whole square. This will give us, when we square it, we get this as 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Root of 5 by 2 the whole square is 5 by 2. Root of 1 by 2 the whole square is 1 by 2. Plus 2 into root 5 by root 2 into root 1 by root 2. So from this, when you simplify, we will be getting 5 plus 1 by 2, which is going to be 3, plus, because this 6 by 2, which is 3, plus, here anyways we will be getting 2 root 2 root 2. So root 2 into root 2 will give us 2. So we can cancel this with this. Root 5 into root 1 is simply root 5. So perfect. We are getting 3 plus root 5 here also. That means option B should be the right answer. Anyways, we can ignore C and D also. Why? Because these are actually A minus B. So this is of the form A minus B. When we expand A minus B the whole square, we would get A square plus B square minus 2AB. But what we have here is plus. In this expansion, we will be getting minus. So we can ignore these, can also not be the right answers. So option B should be the right answer. So we'll have a quick check. Option B. Yeah, yes, option B is the right answer.